Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinay and today I am at my office cum residence. Office tour हम लोग बाद में करेंगे. Now I am in a hurry because my friend is waiting down for me. So let's go. Hey guys, today we are going to Pawna Lake, LONAVALA. It is around 120 kilometers from here. Today it's me who is late. Other two bikers are already waiting for me at the meeting point. Let's top up the tank so that I don't need to worry for the rest of the day. And look, we have company of very beautiful looking Ducati bikes. God knows where these people are heading to. So, where are you guys? Oh, there they are. Today we have two bikes. One is Avenger 220 and other one is Yamaha FZ. Rohan sir and Ganesh sir are on Yamaha and Sameer and Prajakta are on FZ. शायद रोहन सर को बहुत जल्दी है, निकल भी गए. मैं बहुत बार लोनावला गया हूँ, ऑलमोस्ट 6 to 8 टाइम्स, बट अभी भी रास्ता याद नहीं है. वैसे तो पवई से जा रहे हैं, उसके आगे सिर्फ एक ही शहर है भैया, गूगल मैप्स. We have stopped here somewhere near Neral. Someone correct me if I am wrong. We'll have breakfast and then continue as we have a new rider with us. उसका पहला राइड है तो ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं रहता उसको और थोड़ा सा ब्रेक दे देते हैं. Till we have snacks, let me help you to subscribe to my channel. Name is Vinay Shetke. Press the red button to subscribe and then the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever I post again.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा
फर्स्ट राइड
है। ए गॉगल लेना।
It's the one and only Digo Double G.